Welcome to Manage10's Configure-Secure Manage solution. Streamlined security and management. Manage10 seamlessly integrates manage and secure functionalities. Our solution offers pre-configured security vulnerability remediation and zero trust for device authentication. With 24/7 monitoring, automated remediation, and zero trust compliance enforcement, you can reduce the need for large teams while ensuring top-tier protection. Say goodbye to Microsoft SCCM and welcome Manage10's comprehensive Windows desktop and server OS management and security cloud SaaS solution, simplifying compliance and enhancing security. With Manage10, patch management and vulnerability identification are simplified. Our unified console integrates endpoint and vulnerability management, reducing costs and enhancing overall functionality and security. Effective onboarding and support. Our tailored onboarding process aligns with your strategic goals, ensuring you gain maximum value within 30 days. Manage10's comprehensive training and support services guarantee a swift and efficient implementation, boosting efficiency and productivity. Manage10's powerful automation engine saves over 100 hours per month on patching tasks, boosting business continuity, productivity, and employee satisfaction. Cybersecurity hygiene and remediation. Identify IT risks and security vulnerabilities with Manage10. Our platform swiftly deploys remediations and provides vital security insights without extensive verification. Replace Microsoft SCCM with our cloud security as a service solution for enhanced configuration and security management. Economical security as a service. Manage10 supports teams dealing with workforce shortages and budget constraints. Our dynamic environment combats emerging threats with managed security services, patch guidance, compliance solutions, and automation. Manage10, Configure Secure Manage, simplifying security and management while enhancing protection and compliance.